There is a lot to discuss in this episode. I mean, people, the markets are looking fantastic. To be honest, the markets appear to be doing really well. The markets will be the topic of our conversation. Jeremy Hogan will be speaking to us. We will discuss the SEC update against the Ripple. SBI will tell us what he believes will happen in the cryptocurrency space if Trump is elected president. There is a lot to unpack, so let me take a cup of my coffee first, and then we can go straight there. It's Bitcoin. With Ethereum trading at 2,920, it has risen 1.83% in the last day. Right now, it's up 4.44%. Both USDT and USDC are trading at their own dollar pegs, which is XRP. It's not moving up as quickly as we would like, but it's still a mean lean 55 cents, and I do think that move is coming on XRP. I tweeted yesterday that we will begin testing those three main targets of 60, 65, and 75 in the coming weeks, so buckle up and wait for some price action. The total market cap of cryptocurrencies is $2,596 billion. I glance at the salon. I informed you of the line I had above. I can't remember the precise amount. I even informed you on 183 or 188 that the boom was approaching the beam with 200. Right now, we're at 203. We should try to push up to around 2.25. Give or take, I've been preaching Solana for around $130. One of the main beneficiaries will be Solana. It doesn't matter whether you despise technology. You don't like what they're doing if you despise the culture. We are here to make money, so it doesn't matter. Solana was going to print us money, I told you. Here we are. People, we're making a ton of money. Get a new Gen 2 minimalist NFT now if you don't already have one. This is only available for a very short period. I do not doubt that this deal will end next week. With it, you will receive an NFT pack opening, the first pack opening on the XRP ledger. Depending on which one you receive, the value of the pack opening can range from $5 to $40. Wink, wink, hint, if you get a starter deck for it, that's worth $40. You receive a pack of 20 cards to use in the game and receive XRP back when you purchase this NFT for $165 less $40 than what it actually costs you of $125. What are you doing? Last time, you received XRP back every single month. Before the start of all the corruption, Trump was president. This is how the Bitcoin market appeared. Folks, I am aware that it was a long time ago. 2017. This is May 2017, and I received it around October 2017. What do we have a good look at? With Ethereum at $87, XRP at number 2 out of the mean lean of 15 cents, and Bitcoin at $17.15, XRP was the second most popular cryptocurrency. Indeed, XRP did the worst of all of these, and they aren't doing much worse now, but time will tell. However, take a look at some of the other coins that were in the top 10 but are now gone. Not only does Litecoin not exist, but neither do Stellar, Monero, Ethereum Classic, Dash, Ogre, and Cash. I believe that there has been a significant improvement in the markets. Yes, bring in the utility coins and get rid of the junk. I apologize, I just sneezed. I turned the microphone to mute. Yesterday, Bitcoin's ETF raked in 1.4 billion Bitcoin, the most since its launch. As I mentioned earlier, I will pull up Live Coin Watch once more. Bitcoin closes above 74,000 on Sunday's weekly close, signaling the start of the bull run. I am confident that the price of Bitcoin will rise by $10,000 to $20,000 this month. Not to boast or gloat or anything, but my forecasts have been dead on and spot on, so I advised you to go in the air. I made that call at 74K, so we will see 84,000 to 94,000 on Bitcoin. 11 months into the year, the prediction that XRP would only reach 75 cents by the end of this year has come true. I believe I'll locate a tweet today and repin it to the top if you search through my tweet profile. I predicted every single move that Bitcoin would make. I've been doing it flawlessly. I mentioned Solana to you. I've been doing fantastically. I mentioned Ethan to you. How it was going to function and what it was going to do. I also got that one right. What call will I be making next? Well, people, you'll have to stay put and find out. Highlights of crypto airy from Mr. Yoshikawa's Glance Group SBI. He claims that Trump's crypto asset business will undoubtedly expand and that he is correct to pay back 100 billion yen of his public funds ahead of schedule to acquire the biggest securities firm. She gave you the Japanese rating on Google so you could read about Nomura's intentions to rebuild the semiconductor factory by copying and pasting information from several sites in the last hour. Look, all we have to do is wait for this dude to blink. He hasn't blinked his eyes in 7 years. We're awaiting the $10. Indeed, we are. I'm also anticipating it. Believe me. Ripple declared that it would eventually reach $3 trillion. Stablecoins are propelling a new era of digital banking, with 3 trillion people in the next 5 years. The UAE's position as a leader in the digital economy is cemented by its progressive laws governing dirham-backed and internationally reliable currency. Recall that Ripple has numerous partnerships, links, tie-ins, and uses of the XRP ledger in the United Arab Emirates. There are no ifs and buts about it, people. They will use XRP, Rust, and the entire suite and package here. This is kindly dropped by Jeremy Hogan. What will happen to the Coinbase and Rippleverse SCC cases in the upcoming year? Since I was unsure of the specifics, I listened to John Reed Stark's A Great Space today. The following is the most likely scenario. Gensler will resign before January 20th. I assured you that he would resign rather than be fired. According to marching orders issued by the interim or new CEO, all non-fraud crypto assets must be disposed of. The Commission will vote on the recommendations made by the litigation team, which reviews each case and suggests either settling or dismissing it. Is it a yes or no? It will be a yes since 3 Republicans are probably going to be appointed. My opinions regarding the particular activities: the $125 million will be used to settle the Ripple case or any other case that has a verdict. That's correct. Settling for less than what the court has already given would be unpleasant. It would be like the SEC stepping in again and saying, you know, we feel bad, we're going to settle this. Both of us agreed to pay $125 million, but we feel like we've been such a poor actor and have caused you guys a lot of anguish. We will only accept $50 million. No, there will be no appeal. They will receive the $125 and this matter will be resolved. Coinbase and other cases and litigations will just be dismissed, as I also expected. Not in January, but maybe before summer. This will take some time. What have I been predicting will be the parabolic blow-off high for cryptocurrency in the summer? We see those parabolic blow-off tops that last through summer to the start of Q3, so Q2 and Q3 are your time frames for the blow-off tops on these markets. How sweet would it be if this prediction came true and all these cases were dismissed just before summer? This sends the ultimate bullish sign into the cryptocurrency markets. We're really, really close. Pay close attention to the countdown, particularly in light of the price of Bitcoin. It continues to do its job. Over the last 30 days, it has increased by more than 22%. XRP has even been in the green, with Solana seeing the biggest increase, up 42%. We will see certain ETFs emerge, such as the possibility of extending the XRP's bull run. Because all of the timing that we have discussed is aligned if we reach ETF when all of the lawsuits expire. By the end of this year, we broke 75 cents, then we reached the $1.50-$1.75 range in Q1, we saw a slight retracement at the start of Q2, and we continued to hold above $1. Halfway through Q2, we get the Rippleverse SEC lawsuit, which throws it out a little bit, and we reach that summerish time frame that sends us going completely parabolic. The ETF causes us to rise even more, which leads us into the first quarter of Q3 when the XRP is at a record high. If you're not looking forward to 2025, you may be ready for a very expensive XRP that ranges from 6 to 8 to 10 or even 13 XRP. I'm not sure. What will excite you all, people? Now is the time, for crying out loud. Now is the moment. We have been anticipating an all-time high in XRP since 2017.